Back in 2006, when I first started in the mortgage industry, I used to believe that getting a reverse mortgage was the result of poor planning. I used to feel bad for the people who got them. I felt like I was selling a product to people who were desperate. In this video, I'd like to help you see how to avoid narrow thinking by broadening your field of vision to include your home equity in your retirement planning. I used to think of reverse mortgages exclusively as a solution for bad retirement preparation, only to be used in the most extreme situations, as a last resort. As a result, I didn't incorporate the reverse mortgage as a solution when exploring purchase and refinance options for clients over age 62. Then, my mindset began to change. I dove headfirst into the research and studies done on reverse mortgages. Because if I offer something to my clients, I want to know everything about it, all the details. I want to understand it fully. The writing of a researcher named Pfau was particularly helpful with this. Wade is a retirement researcher at the American College of Financial Planning, has no vested interest in reverse mortgages, but was able to prove through his studies that reverse mortgages make sense in most cases. So to illustrate this, let me tell you the story of Bridget and Paul, two clients of mine. I had worked with them in the past to help them purchase their house, and they were both working still and didn't think of themselves as retired, didn't think they needed a reverse mortgage, had heard a little bit about it, but were not convinced and very skeptical, especially Paul. When I explained it to them and helped them see how it could work in their lives, they began to see the light. And they began to see how it would actually transform their lives to take on this reverse mortgage and eliminate their mortgage payment. Because they previously had been making about a $2,500 mortgage payment, had some student loans that they had taken on for their sons, and were suffering from quite a bit of credit card spending and credit card bills. By taking out the reverse mortgage, they eliminated their mortgage payment. They were able to further accelerate their payments on their student loans and credit card bills and put themselves in a better position. And I just actually talked with Bridget and Paul the other week, and we were discussing how things have gone for them. And they said that it's really worked out well for them. They feel like they've been able to put more money aside in their retirement accounts. They're both still working, even in their late 60s, but are very happy with the way the reverse mortgage has transformed their lives. And this is one example of a way in which my mind has been changed. Through the cumulative experiences of multiple of my clients, I've been able to see that the reverse mortgage is really a very powerful tool that can help to make a difference in people's lives.